All right, cool. So what's up, everyone who happens to be watching? So this is my site. Um, it's this right here. Just kidding. So let me just get the server fired up, and then we'll go to localhost 3000. Oh, just one second. And there we go. All right, so welcome to GigFreq. So GigFreq is my app. It's an app that bands and musical artists can post their upcoming shows on, and then users can attend those shows to keep track of concerts that they're going to. So it's very similar to a platform like a Songkick or a like a Ticketmaster or something, but without without the commerce element of it. It's meant to just kind of be more of a connection thing at this point. So yeah, we have two different types of users. Like I said, users and bands, and they have two distinctly different types of accounts with different attributes in it. And then we also give users the ability to sign up with Facebook. So I'm just going to create a few profiles here and just kind of show you around the site and how it works. So we'll just do the regular user sign up first. So username, we'll call them user. And we'll make the email address user@user.com, something simple. And the password will also be user. And then we're going to hit sign up. This will take the user to the second half of the user's profile creation. So they got to put in their city, and eventually I want to build this out so that it can pull. It can search by the user's city and state, and then show them shows that are in that area. But that's later on down the line when I continue to build this. So then the favorite band, we'll put my favorite band, Interpol. Then we'll sign up. Cool. So it takes you to the site, to the dashboard view, otherwise known as home. And then basically what's going to happen here is that you'll have a few menu options. So you'll have the options for all shows. So if you click on this, you would see upcoming shows. So it's pretty much any show that's in the database currently. And we'll log back in so I can show you how that kind of works better, because shows don't exist in this screen without a band creating them first. So I'll show you that after I make a band profile. And then your show is pretty self-explanatory. So it'll be any show that's associated with a user. And then your profile, this is where a user can update their account. So if I click update account, I could change my city to Boston, Massachusetts, and we'll change my favorite band to Arctic Monkeys. So you can see I've already done this before. Update the profile, and boom, all of our changes persist. So we'll log back in as this user after I show you how it kind of works with bands, and how the kind of ping-ponging between them. So yeah, so now what we'll do is we'll sign up a band. So then the band name we'll literally make it Arctic Monkeys, am@am.com. And we'll make the password monkey, just something simple. I can, monkey, remember. And then you're going to check this box if you're a band, and then click sign up, and it'll take you to the band sign up. So website will be www.am.com. The genre will be rock music, and then we'll have a description of the band. Wonderful band from Sheffield, UK. And then we'll finish the sign up. Cool. So now this is the band's dashboard. So again, if a band has posted any shows recently, it'll show up here. So they'll have the menu option gigs, and then their profile will be the same. And then they also have an option called stats, which I'll show you in a minute. So we'll go to the gigs. Obviously there's no gigs here. We'll add a gig. So the name of the gig will be AM 6-year anniversary. We'll do the Paradise, Boston, Massachusetts, and the date will be 3/19. 2019, which is my birthday. And then we'll add the gig. And now this will take us back to the band's show view page. So now they'll see, the name of the show and everything. And then we'll view the AM 6-year anniversary right here. You can click the show and they'll be able to see the total attendees. There are no attendees yet because nobody's attended this show. But if they want to edit this, they can edit the show's details as well. You could change it to, I don't know, Brooklyn, New York. We'll change the venue to Market Hotel and then hit update. Cool. All of our changes have persisted. So then for the stats, if you look at the band's stats, it'll show them their statistics, essentially, how many shows they're playing, their total fans, total locations. And then down here, it'll show them their fans' names. So anybody that has a user show that's associated with their profile, they'll see. So let me show you how that works a little bit. We're going to log out. Let's just refresh a little bit. And then we're going to log back in as a user. And I'll show you how this works from their end. User, we'll log in. So they have no shows yet, but if we go to all shows, we'll now see that Arctic Monkeys show has shown up here. We will click the show and then the user will see something different. They'll see a desired number of tickets. They'll select how many tickets they want, and then they'll click attend this show. And now it shows up under their upcoming shows. Pretty cool. Yeah. So now if we log back out, let's refresh the page real quick. Log back in as the band, am@am.com, monkey. Now if we look at the gig, total attendees is 1. So now it's keeping track of who is attending their show. And then if you go to the stats page, you'll see total shows, total fans, total locations that they're playing in, and then you'll see the user right there. So yeah, and then let's just log in with Facebook real quick. Sign up with Facebook real quick. Let me just refresh this page. So yeah, I limited it to users to sign up with Facebook because I didn't want them. I didn't want bands to be able to log in with Facebook. It just didn't seem correct to me, especially because Facebook's such an individual thing. I know that there are band pages with that, but for the purposes of being able to implement OmniAuth, I purposely omitted trying to do that. But it's definitely something that I want to look at in the future. So if we sign up with Facebook, it'll take me to the second half of the user page, and then we'll just say, we'll say Los Angeles, California. Why not? Click California. Favorite band is going to be, we'll say Animal Collective. That's cool. And then sign up, and boom. So it pulled from my Facebook account. OmniAuth worked exactly as we thought. Go to all shows. We have the same level of access to the shows. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much the app. Still kind of a work in progress. I'm going to add some styling to it and clean it up a little bit. But yeah, that's the general idea for the framework of the app that I want to continue to build. And this is my first Rails app. So cool. Thanks.